I'm Jennifer Stolde from Trendease International, and we are back at Mood, Meet Only Original Designs in Brussels. It's the 35th year of the show. It's quite exciting. In a new grand space within the Brussels Expo, we're going to look at the trends, the blue drops, and a new area, the Media City, where you'll find inspiration in the innovation platform, new special things for the contract market, as well as the digital village. Let's go get you in the mood. Once again, Mood presents the Blue Drops, where you can find the best of the show. There are awards for innovation, upholstery, window and wall coverings, as well as yarns and the contract market. And a special this year is the Visitor's Choice, where attendees to the show could pick out their favorite using the last few digits of their badge, enter their top choice 1 hour before the show closes on September 11th. It will be announced, the first Visitor's Choice Award. You can also stop by and have a coffee or a tea in the Walk of Fame for the Blue Drops. A hotbed of activity is happening at the Mood Media City. There are many different activities to participate in and experience. Here we have the innovation platform with 5 different partners bringing together samples from around the world of truly inspirational materials. You also have the digital village, where you can find printers for various substrates, and HP can show you the newest technologies. We have Traveris Square, where you can find manufacturers of textiles specifically for the contract market, as well as a contract sample bank, where you can see lots of different materials to inspire you for future projects.
Well, I'm Markus Benesch. I'm an artist and designer. I'm here at Mood because we designed the stand, the booth for HP. So the benefit of working with HP digital printing is I can instantly have the results. So between the proof and the final product, there's no difference. And I think the industry is moving into digital because you can have really short print runs. You can react very fast on trends, on hypes, or just on a concept you want to pick up. You don't have to plan like years ahead. When you walk through Mood, you see quite a lot of adaptations, implications of digital printing technology. But what is nice, that designers are much more clever now. You don't really see the digital aspect so fast. So there's some really nice effects or details which only can be printed digitally. And they also started now, what personally is also my style, to combine the analog printing technology and the digital. So it's not one or the other, it's both seem to join, and this really creates striking effects.
Our goal is to have Trevida CS fabrics, so it means artificial fiber fabrics, as close as possible to natural fabrics in terms of touch and in terms of look. It seems this to be the most important demand coming today from the market, to have something which is as natural as possible, touching it, looking at it, but at the same time having the features from the technical point of view, including flammability performance, technical performance.
So can you show me an example of one of these materials?
Yes, I do this with pleasure. For example, I have here this fabric. I don't know how much you can really appreciate that here we are dealing with a Trevida CS fabric. So this kind of fabrics, this one, but also other fabrics, can be used just, for example, for cruising ships.
And people who are working on projects, can they come see you for their textile needs?
The main reason, Jennifer, to be here is just to meet with the customers who are involved in the contract business. Cruising ships, for example, is one of the most important end users for this kind of fabrics, because all these fabrics are certified IMO, which means International Maritime Organization, which is a standard, flammability standard, devoted to cruising ships.
Do you have minimum orders, or could people come with small projects, big
not
projects?
Not really. We don't have a minimum order because we also offer the cut length service. Okay. So really you can place with us an order for a few meters, or you can place orders for 100 meters or even 1,000 meters. We hope so, really.
Meters,
Oh, meters, why not? We are here, the door is open to meters of meters.
And you can go on the cruise.
Yeah, why not, why not? Even more than 1 week.
Fantastic, thank you.
Thank you so much, it was my pleasure.
I'm Isabelle de Braga. I am an artist since maybe before I work. And with a very simple piece of paper, you can do a dream.
First of all, we've been married since nearly 40 years and working together prior to that. When I met her, she was a fashion designer, and then we switched into furnishing fabrics and design for the home.
I discovered how I love fabrics. Fabrics, it's first of all, it's very feminine. It's something come for your heart. I begin with fabrics for myself. I do my own dress for going at the ball. And I change to the furnishing. Because when I make a wrong thing on a dress, I cut off the piece, come from the dress, and that's become a pillow.
We've been going to the mood that was called Decosit at that time since the very beginning. Of course, in our career, we have worked with many companies in Europe and United States, and of course many Belgian companies, which most of them are still at Mood now. Well, when I visit Mood, it's just kind of sniffing the air. What's the trend, what's happening, the excitement of what is on the market, what is new.
I think inspiration comes from everything. An exhibition, fashion défilé, or maybe a book. To be an artist, it's to see something, to absorb, to put in your heart, to put in your head, and just use your hand to do it.
For visitors, exhibitors, even the press, there's something for everyone here at Mood. I hope that you've enjoyed this brief tour of all of the inspiration that was on offer, and we all look forward to seeing you again next year.